Morning folks, it's Simon with Rooting for the Planet, and this is the entrance to the Parkwood Springs area that I've been venturing into recently, and it's a fantastic big resort. There used to be a dry ski slope just around the back here. That's since closed many years ago, and now it's just been opened up for the public to walk around. And yeah, as I keep doing on previous videos, showing on previous videos, the old landfill site, which is now, after many years, safe for the public to walk on the top of. So that'll be interesting to see how that develops over the years with the wild areas. Increasing the old biodiversity. Oh. Looks like there's been a football match on there. Somebody's been playing at the weekend. I was just looking the other day, I think I've got over 500 videos posted for Rooting for the Planet. Some of them under Just Plant Trees in the past, and one or two other pseudonyms I went by. But Rooting for the Planet has been the main title. So please like, subscribe and share as normal if you can. Pass it on to your friends if you're interested in the content. And I'll see you on the next video. Thank you.